that could impede my case.
That's your basis for the suppression of body cam?
That I have the right to be read my Miranda rights and know that anything that I say can be used against me. I was not notified.
So that's your basis
to suppress
the body cam.
I'm not trying to suppress it from the court to see. I don't want it in the public domain. I don't want it. Anything that happened, I was on the scene. The police were on the scene for 2 minutes. They were dispatched there over a fight.
Based upon what you told me, I'm going to deny your motion.
Deny my motion to suppress under Miranda.
If you're calling it, your motion's denied.
Okay, maybe I'll formulate my request a little more precise to my specific conditions, but I also am requesting that there's full discovery in this process.
Okay. Have you sent a request to the prosecutor's office for discovery?
I have not. No.
Have you asked them, how do I get discovery?
No, I will be doing that.
Did you ask anybody how to get discovery?
I asked a couple of the clerks, but they can't, give too much legal advice. So I'm trying to take as much responsibility for this as I can.
Okay. Well, I'm going to, at this point, deny that motion because there hasn't even been a request for discovery. If you don't get something, then you bring a motion for discovery.
Okay.
Next thing you want to do?
Discontinue all hearings until there's substantial evidence on file.
Okay. That doesn't happen that way. I don't know what discontinue all hearings mean.
I don't know either, Your Honor. I'm just representing myself over here.
This is going to be a long process if you just are throwing stuff out there.
I tried to prepare my best for this. I'm really
okay. This was your best. Then you may want to consider getting an attorney, but I'm going to let you go because you have a constitutional right to do it. But this is going to be a long, arduous process if we're going to go at this rate.
What does the prosecution expect next in this case?
Pardon? What do you mean?
You're asking me for what I want out of this case and what I expect.
I'm asking you, what do you want to do today?
I want to go home and have all charges lifted.
That's not going to happen.
Okay, so
I mean,
what do I got to do?
Home is an option, but the charges aren't going anywhere.
I understand, and that's the end goal of where I want to be one day, acquitted of all charges. I have the FOIA records describing the witness and his shirt that he was wearing, which is the reason why the deputies or the detectives were dispatched to the Pufferettes parking lot at 3 a.m. that morning. I also have a picture of the witness being right there when I got arrested. I can show you it. It's quickly available here for me to show you, but he's really within grasp.
The defendant showing anything before he has not disclosed to the people.
So, given that I do have FOIA on my CAD records or the dispatch record of police when they made comments saying there's a Huron Valley ambulance dispatched for a person due to high intoxicants. I wasn't dispatched through Huron Valley, but this is in my police report. I think this is valid enough to say that he is a part of the same scenery and